Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, my name is Nakul, and I'm representing LaSalle College. What we can do is I'm going to quickly run through a short presentation of the campus and what the programs we offer to international students. And then we can have a Q&A from all of you individually. So let's just run through. I'm sure all of you have heard about LaSalle College. We are a part of LCI Education Network, which is called LaSalle College International, and it's a big network group. We have 23 higher education network campuses across 5 continents. That's where we are located. And I'm going to quickly talk about Canada. So if we talk about Canada, our headquartered campus is in Montreal. I'm sure all of you have heard about Montreal as a city is in Quebec province. And then we have another campus in Vancouver, which is in British Columbia. So this is our Montreal campus. I would encourage all of you to go on our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube pages. We have actually updated our videos for the campus. So you can see how the campus looks like. It's a really beautiful campus we have in the downtown Montreal. You don't have to go anywhere. We are in the main downtown Montreal. So this street is called Sainte Catherine. We are at the 2000 Sainte Catherine Street. Yeah. So anywhere you are in, you can easily reach out to Montreal because even to the campus, we are closest to the metro line. You see right here, there is one metro station, and 2 blocks away on the other side, we have a metro line as well. So we are 2 blocks away from Concordia as well. So which is again in the main downtown Montreal. So you see all these buildings just opposite and on the back as well. These are the accommodation buildings wherein you can always find accommodations if you want to stay in downtown. So with LaSalle College, we founded in 1959. It's a semi-public institution, and I've got 6,000 plus students on campus. Out of them are 25% from international different countries across the world. And LaSalle College is actually the largest bilingual college in North America. Yeah. Plus, you will have an access to your work permits, whether it's an off-campus or after you complete the program, you will be eligible of your work. So I'm going to quickly run through a video. I'm not sure if you'll be here anything, but just see this video. Uh, so I'm sure all of you have heard about Ontario. The programs in Ontario is very different to what we have in Quebec. In Ontario, let's say, for example, they have like diploma, advanced diploma, and a graduate certificate programs. In Quebec, we being at the semi-public college, we offer a DEC, which is called a Diploma of Collegiate Studies, which is, I don't know if you know about other institutions in Quebec. They majorly offer the AEC program, which is an attestation of collegial studies. The AEC is kind of a certificate it's been delivered by College Continuing Education Department, whereas the DEC program is more of an immigration accredited program. And if I'll tell you in layman's language, if let's say you've completed a DEC, you can go to a job market, or you can go to a university if you want to complete a degree. Or if I talk about the AEC, you cannot go to a university to complete a degree level, but you can do 1+1 AECs as well if you want. Let's say you've completed one AEC and you wanted to go for another AEC to be eligible of a longer work permit rights, go ahead, do 1+1 AECs. And then LaSalle do offers some of the DEP, which is more of a vocational professional program at our Montreal campus. These are not just the programs we offer. we have got like 70 plus programs with us in Montreal campus. These are more of the subject areas in these schools we have. But if you want to go on what programs we have, go on the website called lasallecollege.com. And then on the subject areas, you will find what are the different programs we offer to international students, both at the DEC and the AEC level, plus at DEP level in Montreal. So quick run through, we have a fashion design, fashion marketing. Uh, we are actually not a fashion school, but we are one of the best design school in Canada, and even in Montreal as well. We offer these design programs such as fashion design, fashion marketing, interior design, graphic design at our Montreal campus. We Since we are based out of Montreal, and Montreal is actually an IT hub, uh, we have more than 1,000 plus IT companies around us in the downtown itself, like in Montreal, and that's where LaSalle College comes in. I don't know if you guys have heard about Ubisoft, which is actually our biggest gaming company. They're actually headquartered in Montreal. That's where LaSalle again comes in, because we offer a video game programming program at our Montreal campus. Then we have a computer science technology programming and networking program as well. We have a couple of our AEC program, which is again popular amongst Indian students, such as IT programmer analyst. Then we have a network management, Cisco and Microsoft. We also have a mobile and web application development in our technology school. And then we have a business management, accounting and management technology, both at the DEC and the AEC. We have some of the short AEC programs, such as operations and production management, transportation logistics, which is one of our popular program. We have an event planning, media, advertising, and strategies. You can apply for any one of those programs. As you can see, these highlighted programs, which is those 8 programs, we have a work study program, which is kind of an internship we provide to international students. Uh, then if I talk about the program into hotel management techniques is more of a hospitality, food service is more into the culinary, and then we have a travel and tourism techniques program. This professional cooking is a DEP program. Guys, you won't believe, we have a student who did MBA. He is got into professional cooking because he has a passion into cooking. So he is now studying that program, which is a DEP program, Diploma of Professional Studies. And then students can link with the ASP market research, which will take them to a 3 years work permit rights as well. Early childhood education, we offer at the DEC level. Until 2 years back, we were offering at AEC level, but we stopped running that because of the job market. There is actually a no job market for the AEC early childhood. The students will have to work under someone as like a supervisor level for like 2.5 years in order to apply for full licensed job into early childhood. That's what students do prefer to come to LaSalle Montreal into early childhood education, is because one, this program is kind of a 2.5 year program, and the best part is into the program we have a 600 hours of internship, which is depends on employer. It's a paid or an unpaid internship. Even if it's an unpaid internship, you're adding something on your resume. Yeah. And then we have a special care counseling, which is not into a medical program, but it's to deal with the kids and oldish people as well, like student with disability also. It's more into special care counseling. And this program has got 800 hours of internship in the program. Yeah. I will not run through because this is more of an internship model wherein students do study. It's only for the ones who join in at the September batch. So if you join in at the September batch, you will have an option to do this 2 paid internships, because you have a 2 summer break, and this is only for these highlighted programs which I was talking about: the fashion design, fashion marketing, hotel management, food service, travel, tourism, business, early childhood, and special care counseling. Only these 8 programs will have this work study program at our Montreal campus. We have an average fees of around $7,000 to $8,000 for a semester. We have a student resources. So again, go on the website, lasallecollege.com. Once you scroll down in the last, you will find a section called portfolio. under student resource. Portfolio doesn't mean that you'll have to upload your artwork, sketches, or anything. It's kind of a platform wherein you upload your CV, artworks, projects related to your field of studies, and you won't believe you. We have like more than 5,000 companies that has gotten access to this platform. So as an international student, it is advisable for you to be part of that portfolio section wherein you can upload your CVs, projects, internships, and then companies do select you, call you for the interviews. And to support that, we have a career service team who help the students in finding jobs, both full-time, part-time, on campus and on off campus. They will help you in finding those internships as well during the program. So it's advisable for you as an international student to be to speak to them to fix up an appointment, because we have like 6,000 students plus on campus. They will not go to individual students saying, hey guys, you need help, come to us. You will have to have your responsibility to go and speak to them. And then we have a documentation center, plus the campus is fully Wi-Fi. We have some of the on-campus accommodations. These are some of the pictures I'm running through. But generally, what I've experienced is generally students do apply for off-campus because they don't want to spend a lot of money on the on-campus, and they wanted to share the accommodation with someone, which will always lower down the cost by 50% for them. Yeah. So I have a lot of students who've already studying in Montreal. They can help you in finding the off-campus. Even we have a good number of students from Pyramid E-Services as well, who can also help you in finding those accommodations once you got your visas and about to fly to Montreal. Yeah. So that's our accommodation building, very close to the campus. It's somewhere around 10 minutes walking from Montreal campus, the downtown campus. Let's run through Vancouver campus. So if I talk about Vancouver as a city, it's actually very similar to what we have in India, a city called Mumbai. It's a film industry, designing, and a hospitality industry. That's where LaSalle College Vancouver comes in. We have those programs at the Vancouver campus, which is very, very similar. And we have these 6 schools at the Vancouver campus, which is games design and VFX, graphic design, audio and film, interior design, fashion school. And then we have a culinary arts school. You won't believe LaSalle College Vancouver has been ranked #1 school by Princeton Review. For the games design. Our games design school has been ranked #1 in Canada by the Princeton Review ranking. So we have such successful case studies of the students, which is doing really well in the industry. We founded in 1998. Even we acquired Arts Institute of Vancouver, which is now merged with LaSalle College Vancouver. As a college, we are offering bachelor's degree as well. We have 4 bachelors, which is a bachelor's of science in game programming, interior design, fashion design, and graphic design. Plus, we have a diploma program, which has been offered to all the international students. These are some of the pictures inside the campus. I'm just going to show you the video quickly. So in the video, what you've seen is actually inside the campus. We have an excellent, amazing facilities for our students. That's where we have spent a lot of our money. And even on campus, we have a student restaurant, which is Bistro, for our culinary school. And then we have a kitchens on campus. That's where students spend most of their time. So as a college, like I said, we have a culinary school. That's where we offer baking, pastry and arts, culinary arts and restaurant ownership, entrepreneurship, hospitality. So these programs, which is there on the screen, are very niche programs. So are for the ones who have a passion and an interest for these programs. You are most welcome to apply for any one of those programs at the Vancouver campus. And the highlighted ones in yellow are 4 bachelor's degree, which is available for international students. And we have 4 intakes at the Vancouver, which is January, April, July, and October. So you can apply for any one of those 4 intakes at our Vancouver campus. Yeah, so that was all about from me. Let's do one thing. Let's have a Q&A from all of you.
Thank you so much, Nakulji, for this wonderful presentation. So starting from, we do have some students I can see in the screen. So first of all, I'll open the panel for the students who are present over here in this webinar. So I can see Rohit Sharma.
Hi.
Yeah, hi Rohit.
Hi Nakul sir. So I just have one query. I'm currently enrolled in AEC for network management. It's kind of a hybrid course, right? So I just want to know, like, currently I've enrolled for the January intake. So in case the VFS offices are not opened till that time, so how we can start the program, because it's kind of a practical only, right? So because online is not possible.
Yeah, Rohit, I completely understand your concern on this. Even at the LaSalle College, Montreal, we've been working in terms of getting answers. So since you just mentioned that our programs are more of an hybrid, we are running to design our programs in such a way, even if, for example, you have to start your first intake semester online, you can do that. And as soon as the borders get open or you got your visa stamp, you can fly out and can start continuing your classes from where you left in India. So we are actually designing on that part, and even the higher management or the committee is actually updating those. And I think hopefully by October end, we will have an answer for all of our students. At this point, it's more of an unpredictable.
Okay. And anything for that, like some colleges are giving some money or some accommodation for that 14 days quarantine?
Unfortunately, Rohit, I understand your concern on this part as well. We being a semi-public college, since we don't do that because most of our programs are publicly funded. So unfortunately, we won't be able to provide such services at a free of cost. However, we can definitely help you or assist you in finding one. So you won't believe we have a good number of students who just arrived until I think 4th or the 5th of September. We have helped each and every one through the campus, or even a couple of our students are already there on campus who has helped each other in finding one or the other accommodations for them.
Okay. Anyway, how we can contact those students?
We can connect you with that. That's not a concern. As soon as you have your visa, we'll be able to connect you.
Okay. I'm having actually my AIP, but it came late, so I've deferred it to join intake.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe like whenever we are having a visa stamp, then only we can contact you, right? Better.
No problem. You're always there to contact us.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rohit.
Thank you. So next I can see Shreya Bansal. Hey, Shreya, you can.
Yeah, hi. So I actually wanted to apply for Vancouver, LaSalle Vancouver, and I wanted to ask a few questions. So I've completed my bachelor's in media, with my specialization in advertising. And I'm currently also doing a diploma course in business management. And I've, given my IELTS, I scored 7.5. So I wanted to know what the eligibility criteria would be if I wanted to, apply for the Vancouver branch.
Can I just check, Shreya, which program are you interested to apply at the Vancouver campus?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I actually wanted to do something that is related to media or, filmmaking or something like that. So I wanted to ask what could be the perfect choice for me.
Okay. Since we have a media-related program in Montreal campus, that's where it's called Media Advertising and Strategies. Unfortunately, we don't have a media code-related program at our Vancouver campus.
All right.
Vancouver campus is more of a professional-based programs. In Vancouver, if you have interest, we can help you in getting an offer for the digital film and video if that's some kind of an interest for you.
Okay.
Other than that, you can also look to study at our Montreal campus, which is into media, but not sure if you're looking for something into Jan intake. We don't have this program in Jan, but the management is taking a call in terms of running this program in January. Or you can also look at the programs which is called Business Management Creative Industries, which is right there at our Montreal campus.
Okay.
So I'm going to give you a web link right there in the chat box.
Okay.
You can go on the website, have a read through what does these programs all about, and then you can let us know which program will be more suitable for you.
Okay.
In terms of applying, we can help you. We can assess your file and get back to you with the decision as well, whether you're eligible or not.
Okay, and about, what are specifically the eligibility criteria for me to enter, Like I've done well in my graduation and I'm currently doing the diploma course too, but is there any specifications that need to be considered?
Not exactly, but again, it depends what program interest is for you. So some program has got different entry requirements, some is okay. So I would encourage if you can go on both the campus website, have a read and select maybe one or two from different campuses. Let us know. Maybe you can drop an email to us copying your counselor, or your counselor can send an email to us. We will be more than happy to assess your file and get back to you.
Okay.
Thanks, Shreya. Look forward to see you in one of our campus.
You too. Okay. Thank you so much.
So there is a question in the chat box. What is the turnaround time for an offer letter? Due to pandemic, is there any change?
No, there is no change. Even we are really quick in these days, but it depends on us receiving all the documents. So let's say if a student is applying for our Montreal campus, we have a turnaround of 3 to 4 working days, depending on all the documents we have received, because we are not issuing a conditional offer letter on IELTS in Montreal. However, if a students apply for a Vancouver campus, we can give a conditional offer letter in can submit the IELTS later on as well. That's not a concern. So it's again 4 to 5 working days depending on receiving all the documents.
All right. So anybody who want to ask something about LaSalle College, so Nakulji with us.
If there is no students, I can quickly brief on the changes we have done it in entry requirements. So
yeah, sure.
So for the Montreal campus, since we have a different credentials such as the DEC, AEC, and the DEP program, we have been really flexible in a couple of our programs, especially the AEC and the DEP program. That being said, we are not looking after the gap year. If the student has got more than 5 years of qualification gap, they can feel free to apply to Montreal. If they have less than 50%, feel free to apply. We will look on case to case. And as a very special case, we are accepting IELTS 6 overall with 2 bands 5.5 only for AEC and DEP. However, for the DEC programs, we still need IELTS 6 overall, but in writing 6.5. We are also accepting Duolingo. That needs to be 105 plus in DEC and 90 plus in AEC and DEP. So that's little changes we have done it for our Montreal campus, and even for the Vancouver campus. For our diploma programs, we are accepting IELTS, TOEFL, and Pearson, plus Duolingo as well. So IELTS, if the student is giving an IELTS, it needs to be IELTS 6 overall with 5.5 is acceptable. If it's a Duolingo or any other test, I can give you the program requirement sheet once we are done with the session. And at the bachelor's degree, it is 6.5 overall with 5.5 is acceptable. Plus, we can also issue a conditional offer letter on IELTS. So if your student has scored less than 50%, don't say no to them. Tell them to apply, and we will assess the file and get back to your decision within 3 to 4 working days.
So, Nakulji, I do have a question that do we require mathematics as a compulsory?
Actually, no. There are some of the programs that require mathematics. So what happens is, even if the student don't have maths in their 12th standard, that's still okay for them to apply, because we can accept 10th or 12th minimum 55. So if a student don't have a 12th maths, they can apply on the 10th mathematics.
Okay, right.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
So does it require any portfolio or any specific specialization for animation and fashion designing?
No, we don't. If the students apply for bachelor's, we need portfolio, but nothing other than that. That's a good question. We don't ask for portfolio.
Okay, thank you.
Nakulji, I have a student.
Yeah.
Student did BCA from Dr. C.V. Raman University, Bilaspur, which is correspondent, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then student completed Master of Science Animation and Multimedia from GNA University, right? And student took PTE and scored. Are we taking PTE?
Yeah, we are.
So the PTE is 65 overall, no component less than 56.
Less than 56. That's fine.
Yeah. Now the student got refusal from Conestoga. So कोई ऐसा condition तो नहीं है कि prior अगर refusal है तो we are not taking those cases?
No, it's fine. They can go ahead and apply for it.
Which program would be suitable, because he has already completed his masters in animations and
I think IT programmer would be a good option.
IT programmer?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my own personal, my relative, one of my relatives. So I'll just talk to him and then.
Yeah. Maybe Sunilji, what you can do is you can send me your email ID. I'm gonna forward you the requirement sheet for IELTS PT, and then you can share with your team also. Okay, I'm gonna send you the details. We have created a PDF document for Vancouver and screenshots for our Montreal. I'll send you, and then you can also share with your team as well in terms of the English language test acceptable by IELTS.
Perfect. The program you suggested is like what type of, is it like, can we count it as a PG or like it's a specialized diploma?
An attestation. It's an attestation of level studies program, wherein the program is kind of a fast track program. They complete in 16 months and will be eligible of 3 years work permit rights.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, Sunilji.
This is Shabana.
Hello.
Am I audible?
Yeah, it's fine now. Tell me, Shabana.
I have a student who has completed his plus 2 in 2014, and then he did 1 year of diploma in sound engineering and has been working ever since as a freelancer.
Okay.
In this field. That's an IQs of 6.5, mobile less than 5.5. Would he be eligible to apply for the UK programs?
Yeah, tell him to apply for music production program at our Vancouver campus. I just shared the link in the chat box, and we have a good student actually from Delhi itself. He completed this program. He is now a Mr. DJ at our Vancouver campus. So we have done a light and sound show. So I think this program would be more relevant in terms of his future and his last qualification as well. It's called Professional Recording Arts Diploma. You got the link as well in the chat box?
I got it.
Yeah, so you can share that with the student, and I'm sure he'll be happy to accept it.
So I think Nakulji,
my email ID as well, just in case you stuck somewhere. Drop me an email as well, and I'm more than happy to help with the queries also. That's not a concern.
Excuse me, sorry to interrupt. It's Rohit here again.
Hello?
Yeah, Rohit.
I just want to know if I'm opting for a 1+1 course in AEC, any other course available for networking? Currently, I'm enrolled for AEC, Cisco, and Microsoft.
You can go ahead with the mobile and web application development or computer graphics once you're done with this.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, hi. Sir, actually need to confirm there is a one candidate who have done 12th in commerce, 59% in 2017, and after that she has done DCA, Diploma in Computer Application, and then later on job experience she is having of 6 months.
Okay.
So is she eligible to apply? And
Yeah.
score is not less than 5.5 in one module.
Which program? They can go for one of our AEC program. That's not a concern.
Okay, fine, sir, fine.
No problem.
Thank you.
No problem.
So thank you so much, Nakulji, for your time and the wonderful presentation.
Thank you very much, Rajan and Sunilji and the entire team for having us today. And I'm sure your students must be happy about it. So let's see, we'll have more leads coming over for our next available intake, which is our January batch.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you
very
so much.
Take care.
Pyramid, Visa for a better life.